Routing is the process of determining the path that data packets take from their source to their destination across a network. In Fortinet's NSE 7.2 SD-WAN 7.2 exam, a key focus is on both static and dynamic routing. Static routing involves manually configured routes that remain constant unless manually altered, ideal for simple or unchanging network paths. Dynamic routing protocols, such as OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, and RIP, Routing Information Protocol, automatically adjust routes based on real-time network changes to ensure efficient data flow. In more complex network environments, advanced routing techniques like policy-based routing, PBR, and route redistribution become important. PBR allows routing decisions based on specific policies, such as source IP or application type, rather than just the destination IP. Route redistribution enables the sharing of routes between different routing protocols, facilitating communication between diverse network segments. Additionally, high availability and failover mechanisms, including VRRP, Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol, ensure network reliability and uptime by providing backup paths and routers. Sessions refer to the continuous connections between two network endpoints, with session management ensuring the correct tracking and state maintenance of these connections. Key elements include maintaining a session table that stores information about active sessions, such as IP addresses, ports, and protocols used. Session persistence techniques ensure that connections remain active and consistent, even amid network changes. This is crucial for maintaining uninterrupted data flow and user experience, particularly in high-availability setups where session synchronization during failover is vital. Effective session management also involves handling load balancing, session timeouts, and NAT, network address translation. Load balancing distributes network traffic across multiple paths or devices, optimizing resource use and enhancing redundancy. Session timeout and cleanup mechanisms terminate inactive sessions to free up resources and maintain network performance. NAT impacts session management by translating IP addresses, which must be carefully managed to ensure seamless session handling in networks utilizing NAT. Understanding these aspects is essential for designing and managing robust and efficient networks. Which statement about using BGP for ADVPN is true? A. You must use BGP to route traffic for both overlay and underlay links. B. You must configure as path prepending. C. You must configure BGP communities. D. IBGP is preferred over eBGP, because IBGP preserves next hop information. Answer. D. Which are three key routing principles in SD-WAN? Choose 3. A. FortiGate performs route lookups for new sessions only. B. Regular policy routes have precedence over SD-WAN rules. C. SD-WAN rules have precedence over ISDB routes. D. By default, SD-WAN members are skipped if they do not have a valid route to the destination. E. By default, SD-WAN rules are skipped if the best route to the destination is not an SD-WAN member. Answer. Bidet. What is the route tag setting in an SD-WAN rule used for? A. To indicate the routes for health check probes. B. To indicate the destination of a rule based on learned BGP prefixes. C. To indicate the routes that can be used for routing SD-WAN traffic. D. To indicate the members that can be used to route SD-WAN traffic. Answer B. Which two statements are true about using SD-WAN to steer local out traffic? Choose 2. A. FortiGate does not consider the source address of the packet when matching an SD-WAN rule for local out traffic. B. By default, local out traffic does not use SD-WAN. C. By default, FortiGate does not check if the selected member has a valid route to the destination. D. You must configure each local out feature individually to use SD-WAN. Answer B. D.